Welcome to this tutorial on how to integrate advertisements into your Engage chatbot. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to seamlessly add advertisements to enhance user engagement and drive conversions. First, navigate to your Engage dashboard and select the chatbot you want to configure. Click on the Marketing tab to access the advertisements. Within the Marketing menu, locate and click on the Advertisements section. This is where you can create and manage the advertisements that will be presented to your users. To create a new advertisement, click the Add Advertisement button. This will open a form where you can input the details of your advertisement, such as the advertisement title, description, and the specific conditions under which the advertisement will be shown to users. Enter the details of your advertisement. Be sure to include a compelling title and a clear, concise description. You can also add an image to make your advertisement more attractive. Specify any conditions will determine when the advertisement is shown to users. Once you've configured your advertisement details, click the Preview button to see how the advertisement will look to your users. If everything looks good, click Save to finalize your advertisement. To ensure that your advertisement is working correctly, test it in your chatbot. Interact with the bot as a user would, and verify that the advertisement appears under the right conditions. Make any necessary adjustments in the settings if needed. Navigate to the Advertisements under the Reports section on your Engage dashboard. Here, you can access detailed reports on your advertisement performance, including metrics such as advertisement by click, bots by ads click, tags by ads click, ads clicks by days, and ads clicks by dates. You also have the option to download these reports for further analysis. And that's it. You've successfully integrated an advertisement into your Engage chatbot. By using advertisements strategically, you can enhance user engagement and drive more conversions. Thank you for watching, and happy bot building!